I'm also just scared of knives, and I'm really dreading this. Hey everyone, I'm Jeff Bacalar. In front of me, a very important box. It is the limited edition PS4 Pro Death Stranding console. I'm going to unbox it, and just like the video game Death Stranding, I haven't the slightest idea what the hell to expect inside. Here we go. Forgive me, I'm slightly terrified of sharp things. Okay, let's just put this away over there. Here we go. This is for me, not for you. Oh wow, here you have it. Ooh, this is a wild version of this PS4. Let's put this aside. Okay, here we have it. 1 terabyte, Norman Reedus. No clue what he's doing in this video game. I love it. Let's get this out of the box and see what kind of tarry looking handprints this thing really has. One more cut, that's it, Jeff, you can do it. Okay, thank you. All right. Very cool. Where do I go? Here we go. All right. So all the usual standard cables and HDMI power. Here is the BB controller. Okay, let's just check this out for a second. Certainly a shade of yellow, but as you can see, it's got that Death Stranding embroidered on the touchpad. Here, not embroidered, but sort of printed on there. It looks pretty cool, not gonna lie. It's a little more orange than I thought it would be, but just a cool looking translucent controller. Nevertheless, let's get the console out. Also got HDMI and a headset. And here you have it. Okay, okay, okay. Here comes the big reveal, everyone. Whew. Look at this. Look at this monster. Can you see it in the overhead there? Woo! Sweet. Look at this thing, huh? Really nice looking. Death Stranding printed on the front there. Can you see that? Can you see that there a little bit? Very cool. 1 terabyte inside, of course. I cannot forget the copy of Death Stranding inside the bundle. Of course, you'll have the game inside. They took it out of ours for security issues. So definitely a certain kind of taste if you want to put this in your home. The black handprints, little off-putting perhaps, but that's what this game is. It's been many years in the making, very shrouded in mystery. Hideo Kojima's latest. Who knows what you're gonna get inside? An all-star cast. It's very exciting. Here you have it, the PS4 Pro Limited Edition Death Stranding.